old rich me, a new you. And old I stop back and brand new like Tupac ain't have a nose ring too.
Happy birthday!
Nobody.
Gotta get your print right.
Go.
So the evening cocktail tonight is going to be the dairy. It's 3/4 ginger ale, a quarter pineapple juice, and a shot and a half of Syrah. Cocktails up. Cocktails up.
Christina.
Cocktails up.
For life, health, family, and pets. Thank you for this food. We're about to receive from His words. And thank you for everyone coming to my birthday.
Amen. Sometimes you gotta get on that ass, you understand? You feel me?
You going to work tonight?
You understand? Really? 1, 2, 3 times after that, it's over. We rocking and rolling. Oh! Mr. Photographer! Wow! Mr. Photographer! Look at that, hey!
Cut your part. That's day 3.
My thing is going.
Day 3 of the white.
This day 3.
How's it going? Yeah.
How you feeling? How you feeling about your gifts?
Everything else.
Great. That necklace is so pretty.
Thank you.
Yeah.
That look good on mommy too now. We over here co-parenting people. Yeah, hold on. High five for the co-parenting. High five, yay, yay, co-parenting and parenting. Yeah. High five for co-parenting. Hey, yo, Sarah, you do an excellent job.
Thank you.
An excellent job. Yes, co-parenting. Let's go. Life is too short. Let's work. Wardrobe change. It's just time for a wardrobe. Derek, I need a wardrobe change. She's working with size. Let me see, she's working with facts. Hey, 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 hey. Baby girl, baby girl, baby girl, baby girl, baby girl, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I love filming you when you ain't looking. Baby had a birthday and everything, you know what I'm saying? We at the bar on the boat, and you know what we got? I don't even know who put that other water in there, but we got this.
Checking you out, you know, getting some other reaction. Seems to me, though, that piecing me together here, we supposed to be.
Grown folks do it, you know. Get a shot of that. As the sun rises. Deli on, you know what I'm saying? Back home.